Fine, let us go with the problem number 5. Yeah, find the sum of 1 3 by 5 and 2 7 by 10. They are given in terms of a mixed fraction, right? So they have given in terms of mixed fraction, that you need to convert it into improper. Let me convert that. So 1 3 by 5 plus 2 7 by 10. What we are supposed to do this, right? We are supposed to find the sum. So 5 ones are 5, multiply it here and as well as add it. 5 ones are 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 by 5 plus 10 twos are 20 plus 7. 27 by 10. Now take a LCM for 5 and 10. For 5 and 10 LCM is, for 5 and 10 LCM you need to take LCM. So 5 and 10 is 10 only, right? Let us check out 5 ones are 5 twos are, further division is not possible. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. 10 is the LCM. 5 2s are 2 8s are 16. Correct. 10 plus 27. So this will become what? 27, 33 plus 10, 43. 43 by 10. This is the answer. But let me keep it in a mixed fraction. You know how to keep it in a mixed fraction, right? So what, that is nothing but Q or D. Now divide 43, that divided by 10. 10 fours are 43 remainder. What is Q here? This is Q, that is quotient. Quotient is 4. Remainder, the remainder is 3 and divisor is 10. 4 3 by 10 is the answer.